Hey, welcome to another Cleveland Metro update and some of the news that I'm reading and what I'm seeing in the real estate market. It's really important that we keep our eyes on that as investors to know exactly what's going on and what the people are saying and kind of what the results are through audited ways to do it. So these are my opinions. These are just really what's going on, and I will tell my opinion on some of them, but most of it's factual. Realtor.com has a one out called "What Home Buyers and Sellers Can Expect in 2020." And basically, what they're saying here, COVID-19 has directly changed the way housing market is going to be this year. We have started off as potential as the best year of more than a decade for sales, but we're going to see ups and downs in the market grapples with an unsteady economy. That will affect buyers and sellers across the board. And the big problem here is the sale of existing homes have dropped 15%, but that has to do with the inventory dropping too. So there's a big problem there. If you look at the next paragraph, that says while many cash-strapped buyers have eagerly accepted prices falling, triggering a real estate bonanza similar to the Great Recession, that's not likely to happen this time around. That's because the number of homes on the market has fallen by about 45% in April. So we have demand. There's no glut for sale homes driving prices down. So the stuff going on the market, we're still paying good money for. In fact, the median home price on existing homes is expected to hold steady, rising by 1.1% in 2020 over the previous year. So even with all these issues, it's really got to do with supply and demand, and that's really what it is. We're not for COVID-19, we probably wouldn't see prices rise 2 to 4%, would have seen prices rise 2 to 4%. That's because even before the available housing fell short of demand, pushing prices up. So buyers shouldn't despair, though. Record low interest rates will offset some of the slightly higher prices. Rates are expected to be around 3.2% this year, which is dirt, down from nearly 4% last year. I know I just closed the home myself, and I'm at 3.6%. So that was a couple months ago, and they could even fall into even the 2% range. So if you want to refinance or whatever, if you have a investment home or place you live in, great way to do it. Another downside for buyers is that home construction is expected to slow, exacerbating the housing shortage. So new homes are not being built either. So guys, we're running. I mean, the housing is really down, and housing starts or the number of homes on which construction has begun are expected to drop by 11% this year. So that's not good for inventory. It's good for sellers. It's not good for buyers. The experience of being at home for a long period of time has everyone rethinking their priorities. People recognizing space is more important. So they're looking for more affordable areas where they can have more space and save the same price. That's our theory here when we buy these mid-priced homes. They got good open floor plans, and the renters don't want to leave. It's going to be a good economy for real estate, and it just shows how it holds up during this type of corona type virus. So I wanted to do my 3-day. I do a 3-day every week to show you what the market's doing. So the last 3 days, we've had 1,467 properties sold under contract, and we've only had 614 properties that have been put on the market to sell. So again, we were about 900 less last week. We're 853 more houses under contract or sold than were put on the market. That's huge. So again, as you can see, the inventory is shrinking still. So if you're wanting to sell a house, it's a great time to do it, guys. It's a really good time to do it with my flat fee listing, $1,500 flat fee listing. Same as a full price listing, it's just no open houses. Also, the other benefit is the sellers and renters too. There's not a lot of rentals. I mean, stuff is going fast. We rented about 5 houses the last 2 weeks. I'm showing one in about 2 hours, and we're showing them all the time. So Lori's signing 2 leases for 2 houses tomorrow. So everything's renting, everything's going, everything's moving along in the real estate. So again, if you're looking for income real estate that really generates a lot, I've heard a lot of property managers, the 40, 50, 60 homes not paying rent. That's ridiculous. We've got one. So buy them in the right area with the right professionals. You'll continue to get your rent. We are the best property management and the best income real estate company, period. Nobody touches us in Cleveland. We really care about our clients. So give me a call. I've been doing this since 1985. We've done hundreds and hundreds of homes. My phone number is 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740. And I am an EXP Icon agent, been that way for 2 years, and the #1 agent for transactions in 2019. So call me. Let's get you going and get in the right direction. It's a great market. Thanks. Have a great day.